We got challenged to stop thinking that employees are trying to get out of work.
Flexibility in the workplace is such an integral part to ManufactHER because it's all about how do we invite women into the workplace? How do we make women want to work in our workplace? If you're not attracting women to the business, you're missing out on 50% of the population for roles. Today, we're running a workshop on flexibility to really challenge the thinking of all our manufacturing businesses in our first cohort about what's possible when it comes to flexibility in the workplace.
We've spent a lot of time this morning in focusing on challenging assumptions, really getting to the heart of what actually needs to stay the same, but actually where is there space to make change.
There's a lot of large manufacturers here today that have obviously got a lot of established practices in place. It's been good to see the conversations where they're willing to maybe challenge some of their assumptions around some of the things that they probably historically thought were constraints, and are they really constraints or not?
Because this is the way we've always done it, doesn't mean it's the way it always needs to be. There's ways we can do it to make workplaces inclusive of family arrangements, inclusive of cultural needs, inclusive of people who have lives outside of work.
The conditions of employment have changed a lot, so we are going to need to make adjustments, or we are going to continue to have problems getting businesses running because there's just not the people there to employ.
When they're asking for flexibility and they're asking for time off, maybe they've got a real challenge. Maybe we need to actually work with them on this.
What we really wanted to be thinking about today is what are some realistic changes that could be made, say, in the next 12 to 24 months.
So one direct output of this workshop, I think offering a school-based hours role will bring more female applicants to that position.
I'm actually really interested in trialling. What I've heard one of the other participants today talk about was they put it to their workforce of, we would like to offer flexibility to you, and got a team to provide the feedback of what they thought flexibility looked like for them.
I think we can spend a lot of time in this world talking and thinking and overthinking. I think sometimes the best things you learn are by making mistakes, and sometimes you just got to go all in and have a go.
We can talk about this till the cows come home, but give me action every day.
That old school way of operating, it's not happening anymore. Like, there's less and less people willing to do that type of work. So it has to shift.